Hey, welcome back to the garage. In this video, we're going to be doing something different. I'm going to be doing a review on some LED headlight bulbs that I got sent to me. They are Auxito LED bulbs. These ones are 9004 HB1s because I'm going to be putting them in my 92 INTEGRA GSR. And I just want to give a shout out to Vivian from Auxito for giving me this chance to give you guys the review. And also they were able to send me a discount code to share with you guys that I'll put down on the screen here. It's going to be Schmickel. So you just put that in and it'll save you 15% off your order. But let's open these up and check them out. They are the 9004 HB1s and they are the 2022 models that they have. They're the 6000 K, so they're the cool white, it says. Cool white. Let's open these babies up and see what we got in here. All right. They come with some nice gloves so you don't touch the bulbs. Your manual and the bulbs themselves. These bulbs are actually kind of bigger in the INTEGRA. Well, they come with 2 LEDs on either side and like I think that's a built-in fan there. Right, yeah, right there, that's a built-in fan. That's pretty cool. Got the nice little O-ring there. And 2 more LEDs on this side, and it's got like a air passage there. You see where my finger's going by? So that fan probably does a pretty decent amount in there. That's actually pretty cool. They got the fan built in. I know a lot of companies do that, but it just looks cool seeing it. But I got the owner's manual here and just shows you how to pop them in. And it's pretty self-explanatory, but we'll go over to the car, we'll pop these in real quick, and then we'll do a couple comparison videos. This isn't going to be too long of a video because I'm sure people want to, just a quick review to see if they would like to purchase them for their car. And I'm sure they're probably going to be a big improvement over the halogens that I have in there. So let's do a quick install, and then I'll give you a quick preview of them as a halogen, and then as them with the LEDs in, and then I'll give you my review at the end. Okay, well, to just take these headlights out real easily, you just gotta pull this clip off, and then this car has a little retaining ring that you turn like that. It comes off, and the bulb should just come right out. It's just got regular old halogen Stanley in there. And we'll pop this nice new Auxito LED in there. Like that. Put the cover back on. Plug it up. All right, now I'm gonna do the other side and we'll wait for it to get dark and we'll go to somewhere real dark and with no street lights or anything, and we'll test these babies out. was a couple of clips of the headlights. The first clip is the halogens switched between high and low, and then the second clip is the Auxitos switched between high and low, and you can clearly see that the Auxitos win in that. The Auxitos on low beam are just as bright, if not brighter, than the halogens on the high beam. And then the third clip, I just walked around the front of the car so you could see the color, them in the headlights themselves. And then the fourth clip, I decided to just take a little clip driving around with them in the car. And I wasn't planning on doing that, but I just decided I would take a real clip of them because I was really amazed of how bright the lights were. And then I watched the clips back and decided that it really wasn't even worth doing a drive around clip with the halogens, because you can clearly see that the Auxito LEDs are the winner in this situation. They are just so bright. The color, like, I really like that cool white color. I prefer that over a halogen. Even in my home, I like the daylight bulbs, and that's basically with the cool light on like a LED flashlight or any kind of flashlight. I prefer the white light better. You can just see what you're working on. You can see driving around much better outside compared to the halogen. They're just much better. I would highly recommend Auxito LEDs if you're in the market for new headlights. They really aren't that much more than a regular halogen, like good halogen bulb. And with these 2022 models, they have a built-in fan, so they'll last a little bit. They'll last longer than a normal LED. Like, I have the cheaper version of Auxitos in my Civic, and they work very great. And they're pretty bright, but these ones are much brighter, and for the little bit more money they cost, I think these are $70 or $80, and I think they can go up to like a little over $100. It's really worth the extra money, and the brightness, it's like 3 times a halogen bulb, like, of brightness wise. It's totally worth it. And you can use code Schmickel to save yourself 15% off your order, to save yourself a little cash. And you can see clearly down the road. I would totally recommend it. But if I just want to say thanks for watching and checking out my video. If you're a regular subscriber, you can check out, keep an eye out for some more videos, because I'm going to get back onto the all-wheel drive Civic here and probably start tomorrow and do some fuel lines. But yeah. Big shout out to Vivian again for giving me this chance to give you guys a review of the product. I'm definitely going to be upgrading the headlights in the Civic to their 2023 models, I think they have now. But yeah, so I just want to say, if you're subscribed, thank you very much, and hope to catch you next time.